Arteza Desk Organizer Accessories Set in Rose Gold. 6-piece includes pencil cup holder, letter sorter, letter tray, magazine holder, name card holder, sticky note holder for home or office. 6-piece desk organizer set. Store your office supplies or anything you need to declutter in this sleek and stylish rose gold set. Most desk accessories sets only include up to 5 pieces, but this Arteza set has 6. 1. Pencil cup holder. 1. Letter sorter. 1. Letter tray. 1. Magazine holder. 1. Name card holder. And 1. Sticky note holder. Set includes pencil cup holder for pencils, pens, markers, scissors, and writing tools. Letter sorter with 3 divided sections for mail, stationery, and notepads. Letter tray for important documents, letter-size papers, and files. Magazine holder for keeping your favorite pubs at hand. Name card holder for personal business cards, or use it as a stand for your mobile phone. Sticky note holder keeps notes and other pads in place. Durable decorative metal design. A smooth, warm layer of rose gold powder-coated paint adds a flattering metallic feel to the beautifully patterned ironwork, and the embossed Arteza logo on the bottom of each piece adds an executive touch. Protective packaging and won't scratch surfaces. Soft anti-scratch pads on the bottom of each piece, minus the name card holder, protect all surfaces from damage. We also take extra care in packaging your accessory pieces so they arrive unscathed and ready to use. 100% guaranteed. We're sure you'll love this Arteza 6-piece desk accessories set to organize all of your office supplies. But if you have any problems, just let us know and we'll send you a free replacement set. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.